So this is a quick look at our short week, the 12th and the 13th of October. So going into today, we should have made sure we watched videos 1 and 2 from chapter 4. Made sure you made the big chart of strong, weak, and non-electrolytes and completed these problems together right here. Then on Monday, take notes for video 3. Do the strong, weak, and non-electrolytes worksheet. If you're in class, if you're an A-day person, then show your completed strong, weak, and non-electrolytes in class to earn credit. And then make sure that you memorized your strong and acids and your strong bases, which are at the bottom of this schedule and also in the worksheet above. On Tuesday, you have video 4 and these 3 problems right here. And then if you're a B group person, show your strong, weak, and non-electrolytes worksheet to earn credit in class. If you're a DL person, email a picture to a trusted student in your period, and they'll get your strong, weak, and non-electrolytes worksheet recorded. Over the break, you have video 5 and these problems, and here are some extras right here that can help you to make sure that you know what you're doing in chapter 4. As I said before, chapter 4 is the toughest, most difficult chapter of this semester, so it's definitely worth doing a little extra to make sure that you know what's going on. Here at the bottom are the list of the strong and strong acids and the strong bases. Make sure you know the names and the formulas for all 7 acids and all 8 bases. And then you can look ahead to the week after the break as well, and you can see that we've got lots more information from chapter 4, and it gets really mathematical this week as well. Good luck.